After only about 3 months of signing the contract, 24 K9PL self-propelled guns were delivered to Polish Army, according to information published on November 6, 2022. This is a remarkable progress. The handover of K9PLs is a key milestone in the development of partnership between Hanwha Aerospace and the government of Poland, said Lee Boo-hwan, head of Hanwha Aerospace's European business. According to the contract between Poland and Korea, by 2026, Hanwha will deliver about 100 K9PL self-propelled guns to Poland and will also be produced domestically by Warsaw. Hanwha Aerospace also plans to build a logistics support center in Poland, where European countries using K9 guns can send them in for maintenance. Currently, the countries operating the K9 Thunder self-propelled howitzer include South Korea, Turkey, Poland, India, Finland, Norway, Estonia, Australia, and Egypt. The US is also testing the K9 Thunder self-propelled howitzer and the K9 ammunition supply vehicle to demonstrate compatibility with its various ammunition. The introduction of the K9 Thunder aims to supplement and replace the K55 155mm self-propelled howitzer of the South Korean Armed Forces. In 1998, the project was accepted, and in 1999, K9 was mass-produced. Up to now, the K9 has become the most popular self-propelled gun in the world, with more than 2,000 units already in service globally. The howitzer can deliver consistent, accurate, rapid effects at a range of up to 40 km, with high rates and volumes of fire. In particular, the K9 is optimized for shoot and scoot capability to fire multiple rounds and immediately move to a different location to avoid potential counter-fire. The main weapon is the 155mm gun. It has a burst rate of fire of 3 rounds per 15 seconds and a maximum rate of fire of 6 to 8 rounds a minute for 3 minutes. Sustained rate of fire is 2 to 3 rounds a minute for 1 hour. The gun's firing is controlled by onboard fire control equipment. The information can be transmitted through a data digital radio link or voice communications. The automatic loading system places the projectiles onto the ammunition tray ready to fire. The K9 Thunder can open fire within 30 seconds at standout position or within 60 seconds during movement. With a price of $10 million with the K9 ammunition truck or $6 million only for the cannon, the K9 is one of Korea's most popular weapons thanks to its top-notch technical and combat features, as well as its relatively reasonable price.